The most famous reindeer of all.
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 13 of Vlogmas and I have just been having a very chill morning. I woke up at like 9 o'clock or like 9:15ish, and then I was just like editing, and then I uploaded today's video, and now I am about to leave to go to the World's Market, which is the store that I was supposed to go to towards the beginning of this week. But as you guys know, by like my mental breakdown, I was just not feeling it and I did not want to go there because I was so stressed. But now that I am free from classes and finals, I do not have to worry about anything. So I'm just so relieved right now. Still, like, I feel like I keep saying that, like I'm just so happy and relieved that everything is done. So I just have on my Khalid shirt from his concert last year. It's literally like my fave. I just love the tie-dye print of it. It looks so cute. And yeah, so let's go to the World's Market. Hi guys, so we are at the World Market right now and we are just looking around, but I found like some of these little books. They're so cute. Like this one talks about Oprah. And then I love this one. It's 50 women and girls who shook up the world, which I love. Like, that's so cool. Like, I would totally get that for my future child, so then they can learn about the amazing, strong women that made history. So, love that. But yeah, oh my god, that looks so good. I have to show you guys these delicious looking hot chocolate mixes. So, they have raspberry, they have French toast, salted caramel, dark chocolate, Mexicoco, and then dulce de leche, but it's like a white chocolate flavored one. Yeah, and then the little mugs. Like, that's so cute.
It looks like it has a hat.
Yeah, the little pom-pom. But yeah, I'm kind of intrigued by this one because like it's white chocolate too. Like, I've never really seen a lot of like hot cocoa mixes that are white chocolate. So that sounds interesting. Like, I would be down to try that because that's like something you don't really ever see. So I'll probably get that. Oh, they actually have toasted s'mores. That's dope too. I like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that. That's really cool. Ooh, sparkling beverages. Those are the Hawaiian drinks that we got from Hawaii.
Yeah. That's what I told you, that they have
What?
like things from all over the place.
No way.
And they import it into the store.
But oh my god, guys, they literally had these drinks in Hawaii.
They're so good.
And they were so good. I don't remember if I've tried these flavors before. I've tried the other ones and they're so good, but look at how cute the packaging is of that. I'm intrigued by this one. I think I'd want to try that. It's elderberry white tea flower. That sounds good. They have peach marigold basil. Hi guys, so my mom and I just went to Dunkin' and I got the sugar plum iced macchiato. A lot of people have been trying this and they say that it's either weird or it's good, but they wouldn't try it again. So I just had to try it on camera for you guys. So here it goes. It's interesting, like you really get the taste of it like afterwards, like you just have that aftertaste of the berry, but it's not bad. Like, I mean, it's not like, oh, this is revolting. Like, it's actually pretty good. It's like a nice sweet berry flavor, which is like weird to think about like when you're drinking coffee. Like, I know for me personally, I never am like, let me get raspberry iced coffee or sugar plum iced coffee or macchiato. So it's like an interesting taste, but it's not a bad combination. So that's all I have to say about this one. And then my mom got the gingerbread latte, which I've been wanting to try for a little bit because it just sounds so dang good. So let's see. Ooh, that's good. I literally never get hot drinks from Dunkin'. I don't know why. Like, I'm sure that they're all so good, but I just always gravitate towards iced drinks, always. So this is actually really good. That's definitely gonna be my new thing when I go to Dunkin', because I don't know, I'm not a big fan of their iced coffees because they're very like watered down in my opinion, but that's real good. So I'm excited that I know what it tastes like now, because then I can get it for the last few weeks that it's available, because it's a winter drink. So it's here. Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of baking with Lay. If you missed part 1, go check out Vlogmas day 1, because I made some really yummy Christmas Rice Krispies treats, and now I am making peppermint bark brownies. This is what I picked up at the World Market when I went earlier, which I totally forgot to give you guys a haul. What the heck? How could I do that to you guys? But anyways, I just felt like having something with peppermint, because it's very festive, you know, because like candy canes. But I found this and I was like, oh, perfect. So I don't know why, this whole entire week I've been in the mood to have something or make something with like peppermint, because it's Christmas time, you know? So yeah, I'm excited to make this. All you have to do is add water, butter, and milk, and you're good to go. Let's read the directions. 8 tablespoons of butter. That's a lot of butter. And then I need water, and then I need a 8-inch brownie pan. So first you need 8 tablespoons of butter softened. So I just need to like put this in the microwave for a little bit. Oh, okay. She is a little melted now, so I think it has softened. Now you add in the brownie mix. I tried to maneuver you guys one-handed, but it just was not working, so. It smells so good. I need a 1/4 cup and a tablespoon of water. So I'm just going to mix this with a handheld mixer for about, I think, 30 seconds it said, and then it should be well combined. So yay, I'm very excited. So I have mixed everything together, and then I also had to beat it on high for an additional 30 seconds. So now I can add the batter to the prepared brownie pan. Wow, this has to bake for 30 minutes. That's a long time. And then afterwards, I have to like let it cool, and then I make the glaze, so interesting. Okay, so let's put it in the pan. Oh, darn, I always forget to spray it. Okay, let me take this out. Hey, let's try this again, shall we? Okay, so I have the brownie batter inside this pan, so now it goes in for 30 minutes, and then I'll update you guys once it's out of the oven. Okay, so while my brownies are baking for 30 minutes, I am going to be watching the Mariah Carey Magical Christmas Special. I'm so excited. I have been waiting to watch this all week, but had to wait her finals to be over and for stress to be gone from my life. So I'm just so excited to see my queens, Mariah Carey and Ariana Grande. So I am pumped. My brownies are officially done. I just drizzled some of the glaze on top. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, glaze. And then the crushed candy canes. It looks beautiful, so I'm so excited to try it. Hi guys, so right now it is 9:42 and I have just been chilling. My mom and I watched the Mariah Carey Christmas special, and it was so good. She's just so incredibly talented. And then we ate some peppermint brownies that I made. and then I've just been chilling. So I'm about to take a shower, but I just wanted to take the time to end today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this vlog a thumbs up and click that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.